Caring for your skin is a lifelong journey, not a destination, and achieving radiant, healthy skin isn't about one miracle product or a complicated regimen. Instead, it's about making conscious, everyday choices that support your skin's health and vitality. Whether you're a skincare beginner or a seasoned enthusiast, these 50 tips are here to guide you toward achieving your best, most luminous skin. Start by establishing a routine that fits your lifestyle. Consistency is key. Choose a cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection regimen you can stick to every morning and night. Don't feel compelled to follow 10 steps if you only have time for 3. Consistency trumps complexity. Always select products suited to your skin type. Listen to your skin, oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. The right formulations make a significant difference. It's wise to read labels and avoid ingredients that are known irritants for your unique complexion. Never underestimate the importance of cleansing. Cleanse your face every morning to remove sweat and overnight oils, and every evening to wash away makeup, sunscreen, pollution, and the debris of the day. Use gentle, lukewarm water to avoid stripping your skin's natural barrier. Double cleansing can be beneficial, especially if you wear makeup or sunscreen. The first cleanse, using an oil-based cleanser, dissolves makeup and sunscreen. The second cleanse, with a gentle water-based formula, removes any remaining residues and freshens the skin. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Physical exfoliants or rough towels can damage the skin's delicate surface, leading to irritation or microtears. Instead, choose soft washcloths or your clean fingertips to cleanse and apply products. Exfoliation is important but should be done in moderation. Gentle chemical exfoliants, such as AHAs or BHAs, can slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Limit exfoliation to 1 to 3 times per week, and always monitor your skin's response. Hydration is fundamental. A good moisturizer locks in moisture, supports skin barrier function, and helps prevent dehydration. Even oily skin needs moisture. Opt for lightweight, non-comedogenic formulations if your skin is prone to clogging. Drink plenty of water to keep skin hydrated from within. While topical products matter, internal hydration is equally crucial for maintaining elasticity and glow. Never skip sunscreen. Daily SPF protection, at least broad-spectrum SPF 30, shields your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays, prevents premature aging, and lowers the risk of skin cancer. Reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're outdoors, sweating, or swimming. Use antioxidants like vitamin C in your morning routine. Antioxidants help fend off free radicals from pollution and sunlight, reducing signs of aging and promoting even skin tone. Include a gentle retinoid or retinol in your nighttime routine if your skin tolerates it. Retinoids encourage cell turnover, speed up skin renewal, and help fade hyperpigmentation or fine lines over time. Start slowly, once or twice a week, and build up as tolerated. Don't neglect your neck and décolletage. These areas are just as susceptible to aging as your face, so extend your skincare routine to cover them as well. Pay attention to your lips. Apply a nourishing balm, especially before bed and any time you go outside. Be patient with products. It often takes weeks, even months, to see improvements from new skincare ingredients. Resist the urge to switch products too frequently. Avoid touching your face throughout the day. Your hands carry bacteria and oils that can trigger breakouts or irritation. Always remove your makeup before going to sleep. Leftover makeup can clog pores, contribute to breakouts, and lead to premature aging. Change your pillowcases regularly. Pillowcases accumulate oil, sweat, and bacteria, which can transfer back onto your skin overnight. Clean your phone regularly. Those surfaces can harbor germs and oils that press right against your cheek during calls. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fish. A diet high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean proteins supports the skin from within. Get enough sleep. Quality rest allows your skin to repair and renew, leaving you with a healthier appearance in the morning. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can trigger flare-ups of acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. Find relaxation methods that work for you, such as meditation, exercise, or hobbies. Keep an eye on the weather and adjust your skincare accordingly. Switch to richer creams during cold, dry months and lighter gels or lotions when it's hot and humid. Don't neglect your under-eye area. The skin here is delicate and benefits from gentle hydration. Look for creams with peptides or caffeine for extra brightening. Test patch new products on a small area before applying them to your whole face. This can help prevent adverse reactions. Remember, more isn't always better. Sometimes layering too many actives can irritate your skin. Keep your regimen simple and effective. Use gentle, fragrance-free products if you have sensitive skin. Added fragrances can trigger redness or burning in some people. Be cautious with at-home treatments. DIY scrubs and masks made with kitchen ingredients might sound appealing, but they can sometimes do more harm than good. Protect your skin from environmental pollution with barrier-reinforcing ingredients like niacinamide or ceramides. Don't forget your ears, the tops of your feet, and hands when applying sunscreen. These areas are often overlooked, but exposed to the sun daily. Invest in regular professional skin checkups, especially if you notice new or changing spots, freckles, or moles. Early detection of skin issues is key. Be gentle with active acne. Avoid picking, popping, or squeezing pimples. This can cause scarring and spread infection. Consider professional advice. If you have persistent skin concerns, a dermatologist or skincare professional can help tailor a regimen to your needs. Allow your skin some breathing space by going makeup-free every so often, letting it rest and rejuvenate. Remove sweat as soon as possible after exercising. Lingering sweat can trigger breakouts, especially if you're prone to acne. Store your skincare products as directed, away from heat or direct sunlight to maintain their potency. Discontinue the use of any product that stings, burns, or causes persistent redness. Not all discomfort means a product is working. Irritation can harm the skin barrier. Become familiar with your skin's natural cycle and shifts through the seasons, stress, diet, and hormone changes. Don't be afraid to stop using a product that isn't right for you, even if it's popular or expensive. Layer products from thinnest to thickest consistency to maximize absorption. Serums first, then moisturizer, followed by sunscreen in the morning. Listen to your intuition. Sometimes your skin tells you more than any trend or advertisement. Remember your scalp. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, so avoid harsh shampoos and exfoliate gently if needed. Check expiration dates. Old products can harbor bacteria or lose effectiveness, so refresh your stash regularly. Don't rely solely on trends. Just because a particular ingredient or method is popular doesn't mean it's right for your skin. Use a humidifier in dry environments to help maintain your skin's hydration, especially during winter or if you live in arid climates. Rotate your skincare products as needed, but don't overhaul your entire routine at once, which can confuse and stress your skin. Find joy in your skincare ritual. It's a form of self-care, not just a chore. These daily moments are about nourishing your skin and nurturing your well-being. Finally, remember that perfect skin is a myth. All skin is beautiful, textured, and unique. Celebrate your skin's natural state and treat it with the loving care it deserves every single day.